There are three fundamental traits of every single ecosystem that, if you understand these traits, will give each ecosystem the ability to be resilient, the ability to adapt, the ability to perform at its best. And that's number one, independence. Every single ecosystem has individual units in those ecosystems. Our human body has individual units of cells. Much like in an organization, there's individual units of the people that are working there, or the animals that make up the ecosystem of the forest. Yet with this independence of every single unit of the ecosystem, there is the second trait, which is interdependence. Every single cell in the body interacts with each other, much like every single member of a forest, of a business, interact with each other. That interaction, that interdependence is crucial for any ecosystem to thrive. How do we connect, collaborate, communicate with each other is super important. And the last critical piece of this ecosystem analogy is state dependence. In the human body, chronic stress will actually have every single cell turn on genes of inflammation. They will drop genes of immunity. It affects the entire ecosystem, the state that the ecosystem is in. Much like in an organization, you've got a thriving, growing culture that will bring about good performance and everybody interact with each other in a very good light. Or you have a toxic and unsupportive culture, which will actually break down the entire ecosystem.